Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can invite guests to your Discord server. Keep in mind that it only works for voice channels, so if you create a guest link for your guests, then they will be able to only join a specific voice channel. So in order to do that, click on the server name at the top and then click on invite people. Now over here, click at the bottom edit invite link, and here we have grant temporary membership. We can select that, and then you can configure the invite link, and then you can press generate a new link, which looks like this. You can also join any voice channel that you want to invite guests into. So let's say I have this general voice channel, I'm gonna go into it, and now if I once again do the same, so I go to invite people, over here I will find this option, invite as guest voice only. So guests are automatically kicked when they leave the voice channel. They cannot see other channels in the server. If you want to use this kind of invitation, then enable this option, and then you can copy the link and then send it to your friend. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.